Welcome back to Vantage Mobility, where we redefine independence and freedom with our wheelchair accessible vehicles. Today we're excited to introduce to you the Toyota rear entry, the van you've been waiting for. With this vehicle, you'll never have to worry about being parked in or waiting for an official accessible parking space again. The Toyota rear entry combines the quality and fuel efficiency of a Toyota Hybrid with our rear entry conversion, offering unparalleled affordability, reliability, and safety. Let's start with accessibility. The Toyota rear entry offers a 57-inch ramp door height and a 41-inch ramp door width, making it super easy for wheelchair users to enter and exit the vehicle. The ramp itself is 39.5 inches wide and 9.5 degree angle, ensuring smooth and effortless use. Inside, you'll find a generous 58.8 inches of interior headroom, allowing for comfortable movement and maneuverability. Plus, the ramp can handle up to 1,000 pounds, accommodating a wide range of mobility devices. The expansive and elongated interior provides a well-lit, generously usable space. It can accommodate up to 2 wheelchair passengers, ensuring they travel safely and comfortably. You will also have the option to reinstall the OEM mid-row seat, providing maximum seating while still allowing space for a wheelchair passenger in the back. The rear entry conversion offers a spring-assisted ramp that makes it easy to open and close. 2 latches keep the ramp in place, ensuring a rattle-free, safe, and quiet ride. This wide ramp has a textured non-slip finish for a durable and reliable lifetime of use. All rear entry conversions include a standard mid-row fixed passenger side 16-inch Freedman seat. You can also add a fixed driver's side 16-inch Freedman seat or the complete OEM mid-row seat. This vehicle can accommodate up to 6 passengers with 1 wheelchair user or 5 passengers with 2 wheelchair users, offering flexibility for your needs. The Toyota rear entry retains all factory original features you'd expect, including the front seats, center console, and hybrid battery systems. Enjoy Toyota Safety Sense, backup camera, keyless entry, media port, 3-zone climate control, and more. Every new Vantage Mobility wheelchair van conversion is backed by the industry's longest rust-through warranty, 7 years, infinite miles. Embrace the road ahead, knowing that your accessible van is built to last mile after mile. The interior is designed with your comfort and safety in mind, featuring a 2.2mm Ultra Safety flooring, LED lighting throughout, and a high-quality aluminum L-tracks. The Toyota rear entry comfortably accommodates up to 6 passengers, ensuring everyone travels in comfort and style. The Toyota rear entry is more than just a vehicle. It's your gateway to independence and freedom. Thank you so much for joining us today. To learn more, visit us at Vantage Mobility to take the next steps toward unparalleled freedom.